Hi, I'm Chelsea Fuss, author of Frolic and teacher at Frolic Flower School. I'm a floral designer and a floral stylist. I've been cooking with flowers since I was 15 years old, which is why I'm super excited to be offering a summertime flower workshop, Edible Flowers. Edible Flower Workshop for Summer includes 10 recipes, an ID guide for 25 edible flowers, including their flavor profiles, a guide to sourcing, foraging, and planting. We will delve into savory flowers and sweet flowers. The Edible Flower Workshop includes 3 instructional videos in addition to the guides. For a special add-on, I am teaming up with one of my favorite foodies, Alessandra La Pasta Queen. In her mini class, she will teach you how to incorporate edible flowers into your homemade pasta. Click the link below to find out more.